Hi, I'm Kyle. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Have you ever been haunted by the inability to be unable to modularly organize your files using a desk organizer? I have too. Here we see your standard desk organizer. Boring, rigid, unmodular. I set out to change the status quo, but first I needed materials. I bought sandpaper, 220 and 400 grain. I bought multi-purpose Gorilla Glue, and I bought a massive 2-inch brush. I measured a 16 by 11.5 inch piece, and I used a table saw to cut the size. Next, I used a belt sander to sand the newly cut sides. After choosing what base of the wood I planned to be upright, I moved on to sanding. First with the 220 grit fine grain, then with the 400 grit extra fine grain. Here you can see the difference in grain. Next, I went home to apply 2 coats of finish to protect the wood from weathering. I tried my best to use a saw to create modular groove marks. 2 errors. My surface was not stable, and my shoes were non-sport mode. Do you hear a dying cat? You can also hear me place 3 holes within each groove to place magnets within. Here, you see the application of epoxy onto the magnets to be secure within each hole. I then applied a different epoxy mixture to a heated ABS sheet to attach as a base to the wood panel. The protruding plastic was then cut off and placed in the trash. I moved on to a manual guillotine to cut my steel sheets, and with the width of the sheets not being large enough, I used a caulking gun to glue 2 sheets together per slit. The end result is an incredible desk organizer with a strong magnetic and modular attachment system, with each slit serving numerous versatile uses. Thank you to everybody who helped contribute to my project, and thank you to you all for listening to my presentation. Farewell.